Here it is, the do-it-yourself footrest for Rollator walkers. Sometimes you're walking along and you just want to sit. But having your foot touching or dragging on the floor isn't that comfortable. Having these footrests allow your feet to be lifted to a more therapeutic height. You'll notice that they don't interfere with walking and they don't interfere with folding up the walker. They make life easier and more convenient. If you're interested in how to make these footrests, here are the parts you need. The first thing to do is take the wood piece and mark a line at the 2 1/8 inch mark. Center the hinge to the line and screw in the screws. Now, turn it around and cut the wood at the 2 1/8 inch line. That's where the footrest will be folding. Here, I've already determined where to install the footrest. I made sure there is room on the side of the wheel to be able to run a screw and drill through. I've already drilled a hole through the metal. Go ahead and pre-install the washer and screw. Be sure to center the screw to the wood. When screwing it in, it's important to keep the footrest straight and level because that's how it's going to end up when you're done. If the footrest is loose, remove the screw and screw it back in again, and it will be tight the second time. And that's it. The DIY Rollator footrest. And as a bonus, put a screw on the footrest so that it can fold and unfold more easily. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.